Good Sunday morning. Rocky and I are on our first walk of the day. I slept in until 7:30 today. Woke up, had no idea where I was. I took a nap yesterday. That's how tired I was yesterday. I literally took I slept through an entire episode of Survivor. Because my dad was like, I'm gonna take a nap, and I said, okay, I'm gonna watch an episode of Survivor and I'll come wake you up. And I woke up and I was a full episode behind. I was like, cool. So actually felt kind of good. It was the first nap that I've been like, that was a good one. I rarely nap though. It is what it is. It's a beautiful day out. Look at that. It's so pretty. God, I freaking love it here. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Where are you? Rocky. Oh. You up on the board? Oh, there you are. Hey. Okay, bye. Look how cool these trees look. Whoa. Hey, man. Let's go this way. Hey, smelly boy. Hi. Hey, what are you eating? No, you're gross. Ugh. You're so gross. Look at this tree. That's pretty freaking cool. Good dinner, Dad.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice. Well, it's 7:15 and I have been sitting in my car for 15 minutes because I just don't have the energy to go inside, and it's raining. But I got groceries that I gotta bring in, so I gotta do that. The drive wasn't too bad today. I just always hate leaving Rocky. That's all. And just like that, I magically made it up to my apartment, got all unpacked and ready for tomorrow. So if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you, and I'll see you when I see you.